Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. This video, to me, feels super strange. I know to you it's not going to feel like I've been missing, but I don't think I filmed a video in like 3 weeks. And I think this is the perfect video to be my comeback video because it's my favorite video in the world to film and it's one of your guys' favorites to watch. But before we get started, please do me a favor and ignore the scar across the top of my forehead right now. Can you guess what happened? If you guessed that I dropped a curling iron directly on my face, you are a winner and you should give yourself a round of applause because I dropped a curling iron directly on my face. So please ignore that and let's go ahead and let me show you what this video is going to be, even though I'm sure you can tell by the title and the thumbnail and the fact that I have a little blade because I'm going to be cutting in to this month's Boxycharm. And it's not just a Boxycharm, it's a Boxyluxe. That's why it is larger than my noggin. It's a big old box. It's a big ass box, right? Right. For any of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, though I'm sure you do, it's a beauty subscription service. They take some money from you, they send you a box, you open it up, it's got good stuff. I'll link it down below. I'm sure if you're here, you already get Boxycharm and you're here to see spoilers, which is why I am gonna film this, edit this, and get this up as soon as humanly possible. It is Monday right now, Monday night, and I plan to have this up tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday at the absolute latest, but I'm pretty sure I can get it up by Tuesday morning. If I do, give it a thumbs up for the dedication because it's true. If you like Boxycharm or unboxings or this video at any point, give it a like if you like it because I would like to know what you like, and of course smash that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week and I'd love to have you here. And now I think it's time that we stop talking about it, start being about it, and get into this box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. Does me playing around with this little blade make you nervous? Okay, if you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxyluxe, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this box. I have not broken the seal, and this is one of the few months that I actually don't think I've seen any spoilers. I guess we'll know for sure once I open it, but I don't think I've seen any spoilers. I've been so out of touch. I haven't even filmed a video in 3 weeks. I've been very out of the community, as one might say, if you think this is a community. And, I have no idea what's going on, so let's go ahead and get into this and see. I'm excited to get this, I'm excited to get back into the swing of things, and I'm excited to hang out and play with you. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we have is the card. It says all access, so I guess the theme is all access. On the back it's got what our products are, what the prices are, all that jazz. I'm not going to look at it now. I'm going to wait so I can be surprised with you because I don't know what's in here. Anything you want to know as far as cruelty-free and things of that nature will be in the description box. I only use cruelty-free items, so anything in here that is not cruelty-free will be put in a box for my mother and sisters to go through when they come to visit, which is this month, and for anybody else. But if you want to know any of that information, will be down below. Okay, we got a good amount of stuff in here, so let's just get started. A lot of bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Oh my god, yes. Yes. I bet you got it down. Okay, so the first thing I see in the palette is from Voss, actually, and it is an eyeshadow palette. It's their Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I thought I was going to say something else. It does not. Ooh. Look at those shades. That is so pretty. This one, I was going to say the one that looks like a Dusty Rose, which is actually called Dusty Rose. Ooh, that looks pretty. And cinnamon. Ooh, okay. Voss is the brand, as I'm sure you can tell because I said it, and also you can see because you have eyeballs, I assume. I don't know you, but I assume you have eyeballs. It retails for $29. This is a pretty cool thing. I've gotten an eyeshadow palette from Voss in the past from Boxycharm, and I really like their eyeshadow formula. They're like stiff, but they still have pigment. They're not like, there's not a lot of kick up, but they work well. They kind of remind me of Makeup Geek shadows. I am a fan. So 29 bucks. That is awesome, and that is already pretty much the price of this entire box. Wait, no. That's a lie. Boxyluxe is 50, but okay, the next item I see is another big one, and it is from Tarte, and it's their Park Avenue Princess palette. I have never actually had this. I know it was really popular for a while. I bought it for my best friend for her birthday. Sorry, I'm blinding you. Wait, where are you? Blinded. I bought this for my best friend for her birthday, and she loves it, so I'm excited to finally try it. It's just a mix of bronzer shades and then some like powder highlight shades, but they're like matte highlights. This would be really nice for eyeshadow too. And it smells a bit like chocolate. And the packaging, sorry, I'm trying not to blame you now. The packaging is just killer, isn't that? That's very pretty. And this retails for, wait, $45. So these two together is the price of the box. So if these were things you wanted, everything else in this palette, everything else in this box would be free to you. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not an affiliate or anything with Boxycharm. I don't know if those even exist. Like, I know they have people they sponsor. I have a link down below. I think I get like points or something. I don't know. I've never used them, but don't feel pressured to sign up. I just really love Boxycharm, and it's gonna seem like I love it because I do. And I'm always like, get it because it's great. And I've gotten a lot of people to get it in my personal life who very much enjoy it. So, okay, the next thing I see here is from Hank and Henry. What is this? I do not know. Okay, so this is from Hank and Henry. It retails for $20, and this is their Blickity black eyeliner. So it's a black liquid liner. I am excited to try this. I have heard nothing but great things about Hank and Henry. I know I have a subscriber who, whenever I ask what a good mascara is, she tells me Hank and Henry. Don't worry, I do listen to you. I listen to you. I just haven't gotten a chance to buy anything yet. So I'm trying to spend less money because I'm not who I think I am sometimes. Okay. But this is Hank and Henry. This is $20. This is a liquid liner, and I'm excited to try it. It's been a while since I've used black liquid liner because I've been going in with shadow to do my liner recently, which I don't know if I've posted a video on that yet, but I filmed a video showing you how I do shadow liner, which will be coming, and if it's already up, I'll link it, but I'm pretty sure it's coming after this. What was my point? I'm excited to try this black liner. That was my point. Okay, the next thing we have is from the brand Stila, which is a brand that I am familiar with and do like. This retails for $22, and it's one of their Stay All Day liquid lipsticks in the shade Rubino. Ooh, that is a pretty color. I don't go for deep reds a lot, but the seasons are changing, and this is going to be the time of year that I would. If I was going to go for a dark lip, it would be this kind of red, and it would be at this time of year. However, I'm not a big liquid lipstick type of person anymore, and I've heard that theirs are particularly drying, so I'm going to try it out maybe sometime this week, but I have a feeling I'll end up donating this. But if you like liquid lipsticks, this would be a good one to get in the box because the brand is good. I'm just not a liquid lipstick person anymore, but seriously, so far, the things that we've gotten, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. And you only pay a little money. How do they do it? I don't understand the science behind this. Okay, the next thing in the box is from Dr. Brandt. This is a brand I actually cannot use, but my mom, every single time I get anything from Dr. Brandt, she's like, hey, that's mine. I call dibs, so Mom, this will be for you. This is their Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Dr. Brandt is renowned on being wonderful, but they are not cruelty-free, so I do not use them. But if that's not a concern for you, this is a good skincare brand to get, and a lot of people swear by it, and this little box retails for $52. So that's a lot of dollars. I don't know what you do that's so great, but yeah, if you care or don't care about the cruelty-free thing, which you should, don't want to judge you, but it's okay to be wrong. I get it. Anyway. Okay, the next thing in the box is from the brand IGK. This is their Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I believe this is just something you leave in your hair after you wash it to make it nice and swapped and not frizzy. And this retails for $29. I can't remember if IGK is cruelty-free. Again, it'll be down below. But this would be a great thing to have if it is cruelty-free. I know I have used something by them in the past. I just can't remember if it's been since I switched to cruelty-free. But I'm always down with some hydrating hair stuff because, I'm on that natural hair journey, which if you're new here, hi. I'm on a natural hair journey because I've destroyed my hair when I was in high school. I was like a little emo kid, and I bleached it all off, and then I put bleach in my hair, and then I got drunk, and I forgot it was there, and I passed out, and then my hair was this big and blonde, and it just broke off all the time. So I'm on a natural hair journey. It's been 10 months no, it's been like 2 years since I've dyed it. It's been 10 months since I stopped using heat on it religiously. I think I've used it less than once a month since December, like my hair is in a good place, so I'm always down to treat it like the angel sweet baby that it is. Speaking of hair and heat, ooh, what is this? Okay, so this is from the brand Sutra or Sutra, and it is a clipless curling iron with a cool tip. Somehow that's what she said. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's just like a curling wand. This looks like it could do some damage. That's what she said. So this retails for $65 and it is a curling wand. I know when I got my blow dryer, I think it was, I did a giveaway. I'm not going to do a giveaway with this. I know I'm not using the heat tools, but occasionally I do, and this is something that I could get use out of when I do, because whenever I do decide to use heat, I always take like a regular curling iron that has the clip and I just wrap it around the outside and like work with it, but this could be better because this is made specifically for that. And this retails for $65. I gotta do the math. I don't know how much all of this stuff is, but it's a lot and I can tell. And that's pretty dope in my opinion. Okay guys, and we're down to the last item, which is right here. But before we get into this last item, I just want to prep it one more time. Okay, anyway, so here is the last item. This is from Glow Recipe, and this is their Pineapple C Bright Serum. I have heard nothing but good things about this. Oh, I can't remember if this is cruelty-free, but I really, really hope so, because I've heard that it does great things for your skin. I have also heard that it smells exactly like cat urine, so let's open it up. Or no, dog urine. Let's open it up and find out if that's true. I want to know. Like a savage, because why not? Does this trigger anybody? I'm sure there's some signs out there that this has got to trigger. Virgos, it's your season. I don't think you would like me opening this box that way. I think that would bother you. Here we are. Okay, let's open it up. I don't know. To me, it smells like pineapple, but maybe there's a hint of dog piss in there. I don't know if there is or if I'm like looking for it. I don't know. If you have this and you've used it, let me know if you think it smells like dog piss. But anyways, this is a brightening serum and it retails for $49 for this little bottle. But how cute is the packaging? It's very cute. I really hope it's cruelty-free, or my mom's gonna rob me blind. And I'm gonna be very sad watching her use it with this adorable packaging when I can't even use it. Well, not that I can't, I choose not to, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, let me do the math and figure out what all of this came to, because I have completely lost track, so give me 1 second, and I'll let you know. Okay guys, so I just did the math, and the overall value of the box this month is $311. To this day, I don't understand how Boxycharm does it and makes a profit. But I'm just happy that they do. Because if they didn't, I would not get to try all of these things that I normally wouldn't buy to see if I like. And I found a lot of brands and products from Boxycharm that I had no idea that I would have loved so much and that I never would have tried had it not been for me subscribing and having Boxycharm. So if you're interested, it'll be down below. And if you're not interested, thanks for hanging out with me and watching this video. That's really, really dope of you. Every single like, comment, and subscribe, every share, everything is really good for a small channel. So if you want to do that, that would be toys. And if at any point you liked what you were watching, give it a like. Of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every week. Last week I did miss upload because I was fighting that depression, but I'm back on my game right now and I'm going to be putting out videos. I have a lot of stuff still recorded that I got to edit, and I will get that stuff up. And if you want to follow me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Bratterstein is for my makeup Instagram and my Twitter. And then if you want to watch my journey to lose 100 pounds, I'm at like 75 or 80 right now. It's Bratterstein. Because I was fat. Bratterstein, but like Fatterstein. You get it? You get it. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch more videos of mine, you want to binge me, you can click one of these over here. Those are videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face right here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you are new, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you stay. And I hope, don't want to be presumptuous, but I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.